Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is K-Till and I am back with another video. If you are new here, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell icon so you can get a notification every time I post a new video. Okay?
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
Alright, so today we are back with another hair video. I don't know why, but I've been getting a lot of sponsorships for hair, but you know, it's okay with me. Once again, we are back with UNicehair. Let's start off with the little extras, because you know, UNicehair always sending me some extra stuff. A couple little extra things. Another wig band, you know, like when you put on a wig, a frontal, it lays on that frontal. I'm pretty sure this is a bonnet inside of there. Pretty sure that's a bonnet. So that's a bonnet. We have some lashes. We have another makeup brush. And I just like that they're cute, you know, like it's a cute little makeup brush for when you're putting the powder on your frontal or whatever. We have another robe. If you didn't see what the robe looks like in the last video, go ahead and watch that. Another silk bonnet. So the first one was like a light pink bonnet, and then this one is just one that you tie in the back. Then of course, two wig caps. Definitely needed those. This is my favorite little piece of everything. They gave me a hot comb. It's a hot comb and it says UNice. Is it UNice or is it UNice? Someone correct me in the comments, because I think it's UNice, but then maybe it is UNice. We don't really know. Those are all my little extras and my little gifts, but now, which I've been waiting for, let's get into the hair. So it came inside this bag. I have so many of these bags, it makes no sense. And then it also came inside of a net. It is the 24-inch Kinky Curly V-part wig, 250 density. The last wig that I had was a breezy open, but this one is not the breezy open cap. So this is the whole inside. You see these clips right here. It has these clips at the top, and then it also has this band as well as these bands right here. The construction of this wig is so nice. Like, it's so nice. It doesn't have no bad smell. Like it just smells like hair. Like, yeah, it doesn't have a bad smell. Y'all know when certain factories send you hair, it be having some off smelling smells to it, but this one don't. I'm gonna wash it and then show y'all what it looks like when it's wet. So I'll be right back, y'all. Look at this. Look at this, bro. What? Now when I first took it out the box, I'm like, this is a little too kinky, curly to match my hair. But then I wet it, washed it, and you know, conditioned it. Now I have it on this head and I'm like, oh no, this is cute. This is cute. And are y'all sure this is 24 inches? Because it's giving a little 30. Yo, do not mind my mannequin head. This head done been through hell and back with me, okay? But yo, the ends thick and it curls all the way to the ends. Like, I need to show y'all this. Y'all need a closer view. Like, what I absolutely like about this, the fact that it's really 24 inches all around. So I'm gonna let this air dry. Let's talk about the washing process. This hair just untangled so good. It wasn't hard to detangle at all. Like, this is a 250 density curly wig. So, you know, that can go either left or right. Either it's gonna be super tangled and you can't do nothing with it, or it's gonna be good and flawless. Like, secondly, I know with the last hair I told y'all that the hair did like have some brown residue rinsing out of it. I don't know if y'all just upgraded y'all stuff or something, but this didn't have no type of residue coming out of it. It didn't have a scent, but I did do my little trick of conditioner and fabric softener. Now we're good to go. Curly hair, once it's tangled and it's bad, it's bad. So I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this hair, but until then, let's get into this install, y'all. We are back. We took the braids out. Now we are back with washed and blow dried hair. I'm gonna section off this middle part and then I'm going to braid down my hair. Then we could install this wig. this is my hair completely braided down. I'm going to get some oil real quick so I can oil my scalp, and then we're going to put this wig on. This is the Miel Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This is the one I've been using for a while, and I honestly do think I see a difference. I'm not sure if it's like the rosemary and mint that's in here, but I really do like this oil. In the beginning of this video, I did show y'all that it had these pieces right here, which attaches to this side, and then you can, you know, adjust it to how tight you really want it. I'm gonna pull it up from the back. Wow, that is like the securest wig I have ever put on. So it's a lot bigger than what I expected. A lot bigger. This is the back. Not the wig itself, but the hair on the wig. Like the hair is a lot bigger than I expected. So I have this spray bottle. It does have some aloe in it. I feel like I should have sectioned it off, but let's just spray and brush, see what we get. It's gonna blend in more once I'm done, but my hair blends in really good with this. I feel like doing it like this is gonna take forever, so I'm about to just go to the sink and do what I have to do. Yeah, so since it's gonna take so long, I'm gonna just go to the sink and kind of not submerge it, but I'm gonna just get it wet. Then I'll brush it out and style it once I get back. Okay, so the hair is like fully drenched. My hair is definitely wet. Y'all see the shine? Do y'all see this curl? Now let's get into blending this hair. So I'm gonna just fix this part. I'm going to use this wrapping lotion foam. We're going to take a piece of the hair and a piece of my hair, and I'm going to coil it low-key. Like, that's how you get your hair to match this hair. You gotta blend them together. So now I'm gonna use this Eco Styler gel. I'm going to fix up these edges. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Cause y'all gotta see that. Y'all gotta see that. I love when the ends just curl like it's really like your shit. Like, okay guys, so this is it while it's wet right now. So yeah, this is what I did. I styled it. I don't know about y'all, but to me it's giving frontal. It's giving very much frontal. I'm liking the way it curls. But that was just the styling process. Now I will be back when this hair is fully dry, so stay tuned so you can see the finished products and I can give y'all my last comments on this hair.
Second every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room.
I think that was everything that I needed to tell you guys about this hair. Y'all seen it when it was wet. Y'all seen it when it first came out the package. Now y'all seen it while it's on my head. It's very, very, very thick. Like, this is big hair. It definitely dries so pretty. Everything about this hair will be in the description box down below. Comment down below what type of hair should I try next. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on social media, which will be popped up right here. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.